Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to autoplay video while using mobile data and Wi-Fi on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. After that click on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get media. Click on autoplay on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to autoplay video while using mobile data and Wi-Fi on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.